Scarlet's trying to find her thumb, but because she keeps her thumb inside her fist, she has a hard time. It doesn't stop her from trying, as you can see, based on all of the spit all over her face. Oh, you're so close. You're close. You gonna do it? Try again. Sometimes it turns into a full-on sucking of the palm. Sometimes she gets her fingers in instead of her thumb. Any luck? Well, at least you're tenacious and you don't get fed up easily. Try again. You can try the other hand? What do you think? Your hand must taste so good. Very close. Uh-oh. You getting impatient? Yeah. Try again. Try again. Uh-oh. Somebody help me with your thumb.